Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are keeping well. Children, today I will explain you the appearance of color of an opaque object in white light. See children, when white light, that is the sunlight, is incident on an opaque object is what? Which does not allow light to pass through it easily. Okay, is incident on an opaque object. Light of some colors is reflected back by the object and light of other color is absorbed by it. White light is consisting of 7 colors. So out of 7 colors, maybe few colors are absorbed and few are reflected by that opaque object. The opaque object appears to be of the same color as that of the reflected light. Okay, the the color of the light which is reflected by the opaque object will look like the same of the same color. Okay, the phenomena due to which an opaque object selectively reflects light of few colors out of which light and absorb light of other colors is known as the color subtraction. Okay children, this is phenomena is known as color subtraction. What is color subtraction? I will explain you again. The phenomena due to which an opaque object selectively reflects. It will selectively reflects light of some colors and it absorbs rest of the color. Okay, so when the opaque object absorbs some of the light, it is known as color subtraction. Okay children, now I will explain a few of the important results because of this color subtraction process. If an object reflects light of all the colors and does not absorb light of any color, okay, if an opaque object has reflected all the colors of white light and it has not absorbed any color, then what light is seen? The opaque object will be seen as white because it has not absorbed any color. It has reflected all the colors, so all the colors will make white again. That's why a piece of white sheet or white cloth appears white because it reflects light of all the colors. Likewise, second is, if an object does not reflect any color, but it absorbs light of all the colors, then what will happen when it has not reflected any color and it has absorbed all the colors? Then the object will appear as black in color. Okay children, now if an colored object, say red rose, okay, why that rose is appearing red to us? Because that rose has reflected only out of 7 colors, it has reflected only red color and it has absorbed rest of the colors. Okay, because that's why this rose is seen as red. Okay, but when that rose is seen in blue light, what will happen? When it is seen in blue light, it will absorb that blue light and that the red rose will be seen as now black. It has absorbed blue light, because all the blue light it has absorbed, then it will appear as black. Okay, but what will happen when that red rose is, when we give red light to it, when we will give red light to it, what will happen? The whole red light is reflected back by the red rose, due to which now the red rose will appear more bright red in color. Okay children, likewise another example is green leaves of a plant. Why green leaves of a plant appear green? Because when it's seen either in white light or in green light, they reflect green light. Okay, however when we see it in blue or red light, then what will happen? The leaves appear to be black because they completely absorb incident blue or red light and do not reflect light at all. Okay, so children, all the opaque objects are seen in the color, which color they are reflecting back. Okay, now next topic is appearance of color of a transparent object. Transparent object is what? Which allows light to pass through them very easily. See children, when white light is incident on a transparent object, it selectively allows light of certain colors to pass through it and absorb light of other colors. It will not reflect light any. It will pass the light colors or it will absorb the colors. The said transparent object appear to be of the color of the light passed through it. Okay, the light of the color which pass through it, the transparent object will be seen in that color only. For example, a blue colored cellophane paper, when allows light of blue color to pass through it and absorbs light of all the other colors. Okay children, likewise if we see a red cellophane cover, it is transparent in nature but it is seen red in color. Why? Because only the red color of the light is passed through it and rest of the color is absorbed by it. Okay children, Likewise, a piece of red glass appears as red either in white light or in red light because it allows light of red color to pass through it. However, when a piece of red glass is seen in blue or green light, what will happen? It will absorb the blue or green light. No light is passed through it. Then what will happen? The red glass piece will appear as black in color. Okay, children. Now see, children, the checkpoint 2. Everyone see the checkpoint 2. Fill in the blanks. The red rose appears to be dash when seen in green light. When seen in green light, what will happen? The red rose will not reflect any of the green light. It will absorb the green light. So, what will happen? The red rose appears to be black in color. Now, B part. A parrot appears dash in green light or dash light. A parrot appears bright green in green light or white light. Okay. A parrot appears bright green in green light or white light. C part, yellow, magenta and dash are 3 secondary colors. Which is the third secondary color? It is cyan. Okay, cyan, CYAN are 3 secondary colors. Now see, children, question number 2. Answer these questions. See first part. Please kindly write in the book answers. Question number 2. A part. Why does milk appear white? Why does milk appear white? Because it reflects all the colors. It does not absorb any of the color. So right answer, because milk reflects light of all the colors and does not absorb light of any color. Okay. Now second question, what color is obtained when light of red, blue and green colors is incident on a white screen? Which color you will obtain when red, green and blue, all 3 primary colors get mixed on a white screen? The right answer, the screen appears to be white and bright. The screen appears to be white and bright. Okay, children. Now, children, your homework. Today I have completed this chapter. Now your homework is, children, read the whole chapter. Kindly see the homework, children. Homework is read chapter number 4 completely. Whole chapter you read. Okay. Next, write. Know these terms. Okay. Know these terms in copy. Fair copy. Know these terms in fair copy. And the last work is do exercise A, B. Do exercise. Do exercise A, B, and then F, G, H. F, G, H and K in book. Okay, children, of chapter number 4. This is your homework. Next time I will discuss all these exercises with you, children. Okay, this is your homework. I hope that you all will complete the work in your copy as well as your book, children. Do not forget to read the chapter. When you read the chapter, you are strengthening your concepts. Okay, you are clearing your concepts. If you do have any doubt, we will discuss it in the Zoom session. Okay, children, thank you.